Welcome to Open ERP video tutorial. This is Amey Raut from Bista Solutions, and in today's video I'll be demonstrating how to relist the product from Open ERP to eBay. So in order to relist the product, we need to select the eBay module and go to the eBay listing, item listing, and click on the completed listing. Now you need to select the shop in which the products need to be relisted. So I'll click one shop. So this is the view of relisting the products, from which we will be relisting the products from OpenERP. So I have already chosen the shop, selected the shop from which I will be relisting the products, and this is the type of the product in which you need to relist the item. So there are three types as auction, fixed price, and classified ad. So depending upon the type, you can change the duration. The duration varies, that is from days 3 to den 10 for auction item, auction type, and for fixed price you'll be getting the duration from 3 days to 30 days, and for classified ad we'll be getting as 30 days and 90 days. So for an instance, I'll be selecting as fixed price, and I'll be selecting days as 5, and this is the template you need to select. A template is nothing but a configuration or the settings you need to mention. So you can define the attributes, the placeholder, title and subtitle in the template. So we'll see the template. So this is my template printers which I have selected. So this is nothing but the template name, I have defined it, and this is the placeholder in which the value will be replaced by the placeholder name. So the words which are in between the % sign are nothing but the placeholders. So we have a tab over here, placeholder, in which we have defined the placeholder name and its value. So all these placeholders name will be replaced by their respective value. So here are some combination of words and placeholders in the subtitle and description. And here we have category 1. You can list it in two categories, category 1 and category 2. So for an instance, we have selected as a printers, and I have defined some of the attributes over here. So I can select a new attribute. I can add a new attribute by clicking the new button. And I'll select the attribute name, and its value. So this is how we set or define the attributes in the template level. I'll save this, and we can get back to the relisting screen. So I've defined the template. uh, I have defined the attributes in the template. I've explained the purpose of template in this view, and this is nothing but the schedule time. You can schedule your date and time at which you are relisting the product. So you can select the date, and this is nothing but a price list. Again, depending upon the type, you get the different price list as a start price, buy now price, and reserve price for the auction type. And for the fixed price, you get the start price, and again for the classified ad, you again get the start price. So this price list gets filtered depending upon the type you select. So I'll select the fixed price. Now I need to bring the expired products in this tab so I can relist the products on eBay. So I have a button over here naming as get expired products. So I'll click this button to get the products which are expired in this shop, in the selected shop. So these are my products which are expired, and I'm gonna relist some few of the products from OpenERP. So I'll delete few products. So I have selected the Sony printer to be relisted. So I need to define the attributes in the product level. So I'll go to the product master and search for the Sony printer and select the Sony printer. So we have a similar tab over here, category 1 and category 2, that we have in the template. So I need to define the attributes at the product level in category 1. So I'll select the same category that I have selected in the template, that's printer, and I'll be adding few more attributes in the product level. So if you're defining the same attribute in the product level as well as in the template level, the product level value will be replaced by the template level. So for an example, I have chosen the brand in the product level as well as in the template level. So I'll select the brand. So I've selected the brand brother in the template level, and in the product level I have chosen as Casio. So while listing the item, my attribute value for the attribute name brand will be Casio and not brother, because this I have defined in the product level. So the product level value is preferred than the template level. So we'll see while relisting it on eBay. So the same rule goes for the placeholder too. If I'm duplicating the placeholders in the template as well as in the product, my product level value will be preferred and not the template level. So I'll save this and get back to the completed listing. So I have selected my template, my date, the shop on which I am going to relist, and the type and the duration and the price list. So I need to relist it, so I'll click the button relist products. So here we got the notification that says the Sony printer has relisted successfully on eBay. So I need to check this product on eBay. So I'll get the item ID from active listing. Active listing is a list of the products which are active on eBay. So I'll select the item ID of the product Sony printer which I have relisted earlier and check it on eBay. So this is my product which I've relisted from OpenERP. So I have got the title as Sony printers, which is nothing but a placeholder, and we have the item specific, the attributes I have defined in the template, and the product level. So I had duplicated the brand in the product and the template. So what we got in the template was brother, and in the product level we got as the value Casio. So the product level value is posted on eBay, that's Casio, and the rest other attributes which I have defined in the template as well as in the product. And this is the description where we have defined from OpenERP. The placeholders are replaced by its value. Same in this. If you do not define the placeholder name or the value, it is left with the blank, and other details like quantity which we have defined are also posted on eBay. So this is how we relist the product from OpenERP to eBay, and thank you for watching.